12 months later, we're still after the same players. The same players are still being linked. Zubamendi was on both lists. Number 9, Sesko was on both lists. Nico Williams was on both lists. The same kind of players were on both lists. So we've wasted 12 months. And I think if I'm being generous, that's probably what's adding fuel to the fire. It's the fear that this is going, and this like Sesko versus Gyökeres thing. It's like, well, let's just take our time and let Chelsea come in and get Gyökeres and someone else come in and get Sesko. It's like, and I think that's the fear. That certainly would be my fear, that there'll be a degree, because we don't know how Berta works. We don't know how Berta and Arteta are going to work. We knew how Edu worked, and the fact that Edu, someone made a good point, and I can't remember where I heard it about Edu, that he left in November. So he didn't just make a sudden decision, wake up one morning and say, I'm leaving. That would have been on his mind from like way back, and that would have impacted his mind maybe, or his efficiency in the last summer's transfer window. So, and we are, as a club, took our eye off the ball completely. I mean, that's clear to see. Ollie Watkins was in both lists. It's amazing the amount of overlap 12 months down the line. And here we are, exactly the same place, with the same players linked. So I think that might be fueling the flames of frustration somewhat. Perhaps.
If you were being generous to the club, you could argue that it shows a through line, a consistency in what they want.